Roasted butternut squash salad, a flavor-packed, healthy dish. Imagine biting into a salad that's both warm and refreshing, with the natural sweetness of roasted butternut squash balanced by tangy goat cheese, crunchy nuts, and a zesty dressing. This roasted butternut squash salad isn't just another side dish, it's the star of your table. Butternut squash, when roasted, caramelizes into golden perfection, offering a velvety texture and deep, nutty flavor. Combined with peppery arugula, creamy goat cheese, and a hint of crunch from toasted pecans, this salad delivers a perfect balance of flavors and textures. The dressing? A simple mix of olive oil, honey, and balsamic vinegar that ties everything together beautifully. Ingredients: serves for 1 small butternut squash, peeled and cubed, about 4 cups 2 tablespoons olive oil, half a teaspoon salt, 1/4 of a teaspoon black pepper, 4 cups arugula, or mixed greens, 1/4 cup crumbled goat cheese, 1/3 cup toasted pecans, or walnuts, 1/4 cup dried cranberries, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 tablespoon balsamic vinegar. Instructions: preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Toss the butternut squash with olive oil, salt, and pepper. Spread on a baking sheet and roast for 25 to 30 minutes, flipping halfway through, until caramelized and tender. In a small bowl, whisk together honey, balsamic vinegar, and a drizzle of olive oil. In a large bowl, toss the arugula with the roasted squash, goat cheese, pecans, and dried cranberries. Drizzle the dressing over the salad and toss gently to coat. Serve immediately. Pro tips: for extra depth, add roasted chickpeas or quinoa for a protein boost. Swap pecans for pumpkin seeds if you want a nut-free option. Want more zing? Add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice before serving. Who says salads have to be boring? This roasted butternut squash salad is proof that healthy eating can be irresistibly delicious. Will you try this for your next meal? Let me know in the comments.